Hi everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to print a 2x2 picture in Microsoft Word. So first, open Microsoft Word, then go to the Insert tab and click on Pictures to insert a picture from your computer, or click on Online Pictures to insert a picture from online sources. So go ahead and click on Pictures to insert a picture from the computer. Then click on the picture and click on Insert. Now click on the picture again and go to Format under Picture Tools. And in the Size section, you can change the height and the width, or you can click on this icon here. Then unlock the lock and uncheck the lock aspect ratio. And here change it to change the height and the width to 2x2. Then click on OK. Now click on the picture again and go to Crop and select Fill. Now you can resize and adjust your picture. And once you're done, you can right click on the picture and select copy, then paste the picture. You can also click on this icon here, the layout option, and select in front of text. Let's do the same for this picture. Now to copy it, just right click and select copy, or hold the control key and drag the picture. And once you're happy with the result, go to File, select Print, then here select the printer. You can change the settings here. Select A4 in the format. How many copies of this page you want to print, then click on Print. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.